Emily, it wasn't like that. Look, I know you're hurt, and I wish there was something I could do to help things between you and us.
Yeah. You face so.
Yeah.
Hand, yeah, there.
I said like, oh, it's probably 50 grams of silver. And I ended up with 36.65. I ended up not melting all of it, mostly because it felt like it was getting too big, and I really don't need that much silver. And we're gonna use it to make the landmass earrings in sterling silver.
I have someone to argue with. Sabrina, go back to school and envy someone your own age. Harvey!
Sabrina, I don't have a best friend anymore.
So quit your belly aching. You
Very big. Yeah, it is. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. I sure have gotten a few of these.
Well, the fresh tire track at Wendell's house turned out to be a match for Mia's car.
Since when?
Listen, you must be my brilliant and capable nurses.
We are the ship's brilliant and capable nurses, yes. I'm in fact an NP.
Nurse practitioner, of course. I'm sorry. Max Bankman.
Do you have any lads?
I do, but they come with their own guys.
perfect. Which is female code for breaking up.
Really should go.
So we're not gonna talk. See? Did this conversation just take a frightening turn?
No, I just...
Watch the new call.
She makes Ella's not coping like I am. For her, the world begins, middles, and ends with Sabrina.
Sabrina. Never heard that name. Ah, yes, Audrey Hepburn. Wonderful film.
Help me! She's gonna burn me alive!
28 years. I was a sheriff for 28 years. Never got time.
simple cottage, nothing special. It's just there, and I would love to at least.
Which ironically are what the handouts are made of. There you go. Great dirty denims. If you're a sharecropper.
And where did you get these earrings? Because I am never shopping there.
Okay, who are you? Do you know why? Because of that freaky, unexplained gust of wind? I mean, lucky break, huh?
Just a little cheerleader selling candy bars, which I promised to buy thousands of. Can you sneak along?
Okay, and Irma, we're gonna settle this once and for all. Put down those 3 kittens. 3?
Betty doesn't always give us the funding we need for our supplies. I know I keep saying that, but it keeps being true. It's not like we have nothing. We clip old pictures out of magazines from the barber shop down the street. The whole wish list.
That's what everybody says until they wake up and their kitchen is across the street. Some of you need to open your eyes to the very real and constant threat of global catastrophe.